This is a room tour at 2201 at Ocean Club East in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos. This is a 2-bedroom unit that is oceanfront. So when you walk in first, you're going to have the kitchen straight ahead. There is 1 bedroom, a half bath and full bathroom to your left. And then you are going to have your sitting area, living room to your right, as well as your deck, patio, and a 2nd bedroom over here. So let's go ahead and start out in the kitchen. It is a full service kitchen. You have your ice bucket if needed. You've got a dishwasher. There is a sink as well as a coffee pot with all of the coffee accoutrement if you need to make coffee in the morning. Plus there is a toaster for you. You also have a full fridge and freezer, as well as your oven and stove that is electric. And then right above that, you are going to have your microwave. You'll notice there is also a blender as well as a full knife block here. And then you have pretty much everything you could possibly need to make, bake, cook, etc. while you're here. You can see there's a lot of measuring cups and pitchers over here. On the other side, you're gonna have some more of those. And then over on the true other side, that's where you're gonna have all of your glasses. So you've got plenty to use. You don't need to run the dishwasher after every single meal, unless you use a ridiculous amount of glasses, and well, you kind of deserve it after you do the dishwasher if you use that many of them. And then also over here, you're going to have all of your plates and cups that you can use, and they are melamine, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. And then there are additional mugs and plates and bowls and so forth here. And then when you get into the rest of the cabinets, there is everything. So we're just gonna open a couple drawers to show you, but there are pots and pans for anything you might wanna make or bake. Coming over here, you've got all sorts of casserole dishes and strainers. So whatever you wanna make, you're gonna be able to do that. And then you do have all of your accoutrement as well. So you truly are able to do whatever you want in this kitchen. If you want to cook here as opposed to eating in one of the restaurants, either on property or on the island, there are grills that are available right by the pool for you to use. You've got some grass grills. Then you also have 3 bar stools that you can eat right at the kitchen peninsula right here, or you can come over and there is a dining table with seating for 6 right over here. And then you do also have your sitting area that has a chair as well as a sofa. And the one thing with this sofa that I will point out is that it is a pull-out sofa. So you can have 2 additional people sleep here if you would like, or if you prefer, like me, you can ask for a rollaway. There is a double slider right here. This is part of the porch. And then you do also have a double slider out this way. It's part of the ocean front. And we'll go out there in just one moment. You do of course have your television, because what would a hotel be if it did not have a television in every room? Coming outside, this is a double slider. So you have a really, really lovely open area. There is no screen that you have to worry about because the screen is on the outside. There is a beautiful chair. You can sit and relax and just look at the ocean and listen to it. You can read, take a nap, whatever you choose. There is a nice little towel rack that you can put wet items to dry. And then there is another area around this direction, which is kind of narrow, but just kind of a space and beautiful and pretty. Again, I'm going to point out that everything here is screened so that you don't have any bugs coming in to join you as you're enjoying the time outside. But really what you want to focus on is you are right on the ocean, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can see the color of that ocean right here. Also on your patio, you do have another set of tables, a high top that has seating for 6. And then you do also have your chairs that are little chase lounges almost, so you can sit and relax and again just watch what's going on outside. This is one of the restaurants right here, and then just to the right of that is where you're going to find the gas grills that I had mentioned. Out on the porch as well, you do have a light with a fan, and there are actually in this unit 2 additional ones, so you've got plenty of breeze to keep you cool. And then this is right here with the double slider. And then the nice thing too is that this bedroom also has a double slider, so you can access the exterior from both sides. And to close this, all you're going to do is just go ahead and pull. It will catch the 2nd door as it gets closer. And then right here, you're going to go ahead and close it all the way and simply lock it by pulling down unlock it by pulling up in this unit. And then let's go ahead into the rest of the unit. You are going to have one bedroom. This is the one that I just showed you that has the slider out there. It has nightstands on either side, and there is, again, you can see plenty of outlets right here. There's a clock radio, so you can have an alarm set if you need to in the morning. And on the other side, it does also have a lamp, so you can go ahead and not have to get out of bed to turn off the lights. There is a television here, and the one thing I really like about this unit is that it does include a luggage rack within the unit as well. There is another chair right over here, and then this is where you've got that double slider that you can look out over the ocean, and it really is large and beautiful and lovely. Both rooms do have curtains. I do appreciate the fact that this room has blackout shades. A lot of them do not have blackout shades. They've got a double layer of curtain that lets in a little bit of light, but a lot less. Or if you prefer, there is a sheer so no one can see in, but you can still get some light and look out a little bit if you would like. Coming over on the other side of the room, which does, by the way, also have a fan, which is great for the breeze. You've got a closet right here. So when you open up the closet, you can see that there are plenty of hangers in here, as well as extra pillows if you need them. There is also an ironing board and an iron within here. And then I also like the fact that there is a safe in all of the bedrooms. So this one is set up a little bit differently from a lot of hotel safes, but it's not too small. It's, you know, about half the depth of my hand. And then this will fit more than you think it's going to. It did fit my 15-inch laptop without a problem. A bigger laptop probably is not going to fit, but you are able to get your iPads, your wallets, passports, jewelry, anything you want to keep in here that will fit as well. To operate this one, it's like most hotel safes, you're going to put in a 4-digit code like 1234, but please be more creative, and then press lock and it will lock. And then you're going to use that same code 1234, but you're going to be more creative to unlock it. You do have to set a new code each time. It's not going to stay the same code for the length of your stay, just as a heads up. The other option you have is you can use a credit card, and you can slide it from right to left, and that will lock it. And then you can slide it again from right to left to unlock it. That said, if you have multiple people staying in here, make sure they all have access to the card if they're going to need it, which is why I generally prefer to use a code, because I don't have to remember to pass along the credit card or which one I happened to use while I was here. Just on the other side of the closet, you are going to have a bathroom. And again, I appreciate that the door closes. You are going to also have a very nice mirror as you come in here, as well as plenty of space within the bathroom to store your items. It's a double vanity, which I appreciate. And there is also plenty of storage space in here. And then you, of course, have your toilet. And then there is a walk-in shower as well. So this is where you're going to find your bath mat. You can hang your towel right up here on this hook. And then this is the bathroom controls. The top one controls the heat. Hotter is on this side, colder is on this side. And then this turns on either the handheld or the rain shower setup. So there is a handheld unit, which I appreciate, as well as a rain shower. So you have your choice of what you would like to use for that. And then, like I said, this is a really nice large mirror that does include plenty of space for you to get ready right here. And each unit does also have a hairdryer. So this unit is located right in this cabinet down here. And this is a Testarossa by Conair. This, I would guess, is an 1875 watt dryer, although I can't guarantee it because I can't see the writing on it. So it's a decent hair dryer, depending upon what you want to do while you're here. It's not one of the tiny little wimpy hair dryers, which I appreciate. So you can either bring your own or know that this is here and available for you. I will also point out that there is shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo available for you to use. I have used it on my hair liked it. I did think the conditioner was a tiny bit less moisturizing than what I usually have at home. So you can make your choice of whether you want to bring your own shampoo or use what is provided. And then coming out into the main hallway again, as you turn left from the door of the entrance, there is a half bath right here, which is awfully convenient. It does again have a nice large mirror as well as a sink, so someone can get ready here if they would like. And you do, of course, have the toilet as well here, and plenty of towels for you to use as well. And opposite the bathroom in the hallway is my favorite feature of this resort, and that is that you have a washer dryer that is yours to use while you're here. It is a stackable washer and dryer with the dryer on top, the washer below, and it does include 2 packages of the all free and clear detergent for you to use while you're here, so you don't even have to remember to bring any of your own. And I appreciate it's free and clear because I do not like scents and scents do not like me. Coming straight ahead then, you're going to continue on into the other bedroom, and this is fantastic that you have the option of pushing the beds together to make them a king, or you can separate them to make them 2 twins, so that depending upon who you have staying with you, you have that option to make people as comfortable as possible. It does again have the 2 nightstands on either side, as well as a clock radio for you to be able to set an alarm. You're going to have your bureau with a mirror overhead, so again, another place for people to get ready if they like. Every bedroom, every room does have the fan. This one has that right there. And then I will show you these windows in a moment. And of course, there's a television in here, just like there was in the other bedroom, as well as the living space. And then there is another full bathroom in here that again has a single sink vanity with a mirror. And then of course, your toilet here and another walk-in bathtub or bathroom for the shower. And turn off the light there. Again, you have the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel with your bath mat, a place to hang your towel. It's got the rain shower and the handheld shower and the same controls as what was in the other unit as well. Again, when you are in here, you again have your cabinet underneath the sink, and you've got another hair dryer in here. So this hair dryer is the Conair 1875 watt. So again, it is a little bit more powerful, and this comes with 2 attachments. I have no idea how they are used. I don't think these are actually the attachments for the hair dryer. This looks like steamer attachments, but I don't see the actual steamer. That said, that is your second hair dryer. So each bathroom does have a hair dryer, so you're able to use them and not have to share between the 2 bathrooms. But again, you can choose if this is the right hair dryer for you or if you want to bring your own. And in the bedroom on the other side of the television, you are going to have another closet. And again, this has a towel rack or luggage rack, which I appreciate. It does also have a laundry basket for the laundry. And again, more hangers and additional pillows if you need them. And it does also have a safe in this bedroom. So if you got 2 couple friends who are staying, or if you've got parents and kids and each one wants to lock up their own items, you can do that. This one is the exact same size. It works the exact same way as the one that I just showed you in there. So these are the windows here. Most units, there is a screen right here. This one actually has glass, so it's not letting the breeze through, but it is a way to open and close. You're going to turn counterclockwise and that will close it, and there are 2 sides to it, so you would close the bottom and the top, and then you just turn it clockwise if you want to open it, so you can let light in. Again, most units, there are shades here. In this bedroom, they have glass in them. So again, this is the 2-bedroom unit that is oceanfront at Ocean Club East in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay while you're here.